Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Beetroot Kuruma recipe for chapati and rice. This delicious recipe needs 30 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 5 tablespoons coconut pieces, add 2 small cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 1 green chillie, 1.5 tablespoon gram flour, add very little water and grind it into a paste form. Keep aside for later use. In a cooker, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 bay leaf, 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 3 minutes until the onion turns to soft. Now add 1 chopped tomato and saute it on medium flame for 2 minutes. Now keep it low flame and add the masalas. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add 1.5 cup of chopped beetroot, half cup of green peas, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Then add previously grinded coconut paste to it. Also add 1.5 cup of water to it. Again mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Our beetroot kurma recipe for chapati and rice is ready.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
You can also add some coriander leaves if you like it.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.